How to change country on Instagram account. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your country on Instagram, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Instagram app on my phone. To make this work, then you have to have a business account on Instagram, and to switch to business account, then you have to click on this symbol in the top right corner, then click on settings. After that, click where it says account. Scroll down until you see where it says switch account type and click on it. If you don't have a business account, then you should get an option in here to switch to a business account. After you have done that, then go back here and click on edit profile. Scroll down a little until you see contact options. In here, you can see where it says business address. So in here, you can write your new country and a new address if you want, and then click on done, and then click on save in the top right corner. As you can see, the new country and city is now displayed on my Instagram account. So this is exactly how to change country on your Instagram account. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.